Good morning, I'm Mr. Brown. I'm going to talk to you about the third theme of geography, which is movement. Okay, what we're talking about is how do people, goods, and ideas move from one place or another? Okay, how do people, goods, and ideas move not just locally, but throughout the world? Okay, that's the basic idea of the theme of movement. Okay, so I think most people understand that people move and goods move, and I think in today's world people are a little bit more aware that ideas move as well. So I have some examples. Okay, some of these work for both, or for one or two of them. Some of them work for all three. For example, if we're talking about how do people move, okay, certainly we're talking about walking, we're talking about bikes, cars, planes, trains, boats, trucks. If we're talking about goods, same thing. We're talking about walking, bikes, cars, planes, trains, boats, trucks. Okay, the internet, you might throw the internet in there with goods. When you're talking about ideas, okay, you're talking more like things like the phone. Okay, obviously phones have taken over and become so much more than what they were when it was just a little rotary phone on the wall. And so ideas move through phones. Okay, radio, they move through radio, they move through TVs, and they move through the internet. Okay, so again, these are examples of how people move from one place to another, how goods move from one place to another, and how ideas move from one place to another. So again, just to review, we're talking about movements, okay? And movement is the concept or the study of how do people, goods, and ideas move from one place to another throughout the world. Okay, thank you very much for tuning in.